Hey there, I'm going to an Anthropologie dinner tonight that I'm really excited about. It's one of my favorite brands. Gosh, one of my favorite brands for like ages, like a decade I'd say. Have they even been around that long? Since college, okay? It's been a long time. So I'm going to a dinner with them tonight. It was one of those moments where I was like, oh my gosh, like I can't believe I'm working with Anthropologie. Like they've been a brand I've loved for so long. So anyways, I'm stoked about that. I decided last minute, maybe it'll be fun to vlog this event. I've never done that. I don't know why I decided like 10 minutes before I have to leave, oh, I should do a vlog. Like that sounds like a great idea, Christina, but here I am, I'm doing it. So, get ready with me. Let's go to the event together. It's gonna be a good time. First and foremost, I did my hair. I just left it wavy. I did add extensions in it because my hair is like this much of all of this, so you know. But the extensions help a lot. My makeup is done from earlier, you can see, but I am gonna add a little bit more to it. I'm gonna add a little bit more foundation. This is the foundation I've been using lately. I absolutely love it. Would you believe me if I told you it was under $7? I know, crazy. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. So I'm looking at myself up here because I was so not prepared to do this little vlog that I don't even have a mirror in front of me. So you guys, the camera is my mirror right now. And I just use this little, gosh, what do they call it? A supple brush or a stipple brush? Stipple brush? Or something like that. This is from E.L.F. I got it at Target one day and I like it. I've been using this over a beauty blender mostly because I lost my beauty blender in a tragic accident where it fell out of my makeup bag while I was in the middle of a shoot, and it fell out of my makeup bag and fell into the street and then proceeded to roll into the dirt as it was like rolling down the street. And obviously, like, I'm not gonna pick it up and clean it after that. I was like, okay, I had to say goodbye to my beauty blender. I mean, obviously I can go buy a new one, but I really actually like this brush too, so I haven't really felt the need to. I feel like everything smooths out really nicely with it. I've been having some good skin days lately. However, I ate like a block of cheese last night, so it's not gonna last for long, but whatever. All right, we think that's blended right? I think so. Next, let's just add, what time is it? 5:30, shit, okay. Guys, we have 15 minutes to get out the door. Get ready, get out the door, get dressed, steam my dress, put my shoes on, lotion up my body, continue to talk to you guys. How am I gonna do it? How am I gonna do it? How am I gonna do it? 5:45. Alarm set. Next, we're gonna put some bronzer on. I use this BUXOM bronzer, can you see it? And this brush, y'all, I've had this brush for like at least, I've had this brush since before I moved to LA, so over 7 years, and I haven't cleaned it once. Oh my gosh, I'm disgusted. But you know what, I mean, okay, I really should clean it, huh? Oh my gosh, are you judging me so hard? I'm judging myself. That sounds nasty. If someone else told me that they haven't cleaned their makeup brush in 7 years, I'd be like, ew, please don't come anywhere near me. Like, stand at least 2 feet away at all times. But you know, here I am. And you know what? I feel like, considering I haven't cleaned my makeup brush, my skin is doing just fine. So, whatever. Pretty much, I just put my bronzer on all over my face, all over. And then, try to contour a little bit under my cheekbones. A little bit more up here. And then a little bit on the nose. Cool. Next, we'll do highlighter. This is my absolute favorite. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold. Rest in peace, that little part, it's fine. I use the same brush, obviously, you know. It does me good, and I just do it on the high points of my cheek. Across my nose. Here. And then we'll add a little bit over there too. Gosh, I'm sweating right now. You can't see is me sweating underneath this robe. Should we add some blush? All right, blush. Using this little blush from Cargo. Girl is going out tonight. For my eyes, I'm wearing this really pretty brown dress. So I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of brown liner underneath there. This is the EXAGGEREYES palette from Charlotte Tilbury. And I just use a slanted brush and do that. I'll do a little bit on the top too. You know, I've been thinking I have all these beautiful fake lashes that I keep wanting to use. And I keep thinking today's gonna be the day to use them. And then I'm like, nah, not today. All right, anyways, I did that on both eyes. So, draw a little bit of a cat eye or like a little bit of an angle out. I'm gonna apply it to the top too. I already have mascara on right now because like I said, I did my makeup earlier today. This is just like reapplying. Although my makeup earlier was like pretty damn basic. I didn't do anything crazy. Next, I'm just gonna use the same palette and just apply a little bit of the lighter part. This right under my brow bone, and this one just across the lid. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Seriously, guys. Whew. All right, what am I gonna do next? I have this Urban Decay. I don't even know what color. It's like part of their 24/7 collection. I'm not sure what the color is, but I like putting this on the corners of my eyes like that. And a little bit underneath my lash line. I feel like it just brightens up my eyes. Yeah, like that. I like that. I'll just recurl my lashes. Like that. Curl my lashes and then just put a little bit more mascara on. I should probably look in the mirror for this, huh? The mascara I'm using is also from Urban Decay. I like it because it really doesn't smudge, and for me that's so important because my eyes water like crazy. Oh my god, are you serious right now? Wow. 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 That was not supposed to happen. Oh my gosh, this is annoying. Can you tell? It's still there? I think I got it. What's something on this side too? What is happening? Oh no. These, you see these little bumps over here? Is there an esthetician watching, a dermatologist watching? Can you help me? I started developing these little bumps right here. I've never had them before in my life, but what are they? All right, that's it for the makeup. We'll add some lipstick right before we leave. Now, what do we gotta do next? Now it's time to steam my dress. See, doesn't this look like the Pretty Women print with the brown and white polka dot? It's really cute. But it does have wrinkles in it because it got shipped to me and it was just stuffed in my closet until today. If I'm wearing a dress, you can bet your bottom dollar that I'm putting this on my thighs. It's just necessary, honestly. It is thigh chafe. It makes your legs glide together instead of rubbing together so they don't chafe. So if you are, sorry, I'm putting it on right now. So if you are someone who's ever had to deal with this issue, which I'm pretty sure all curvy women have had to deal with, and men, if you have like bigger legs, if you're a guy, if you're an athlete, even if you're like on the thinner side, but you still have like bigger legs, this is the best product ever invented in the history of products. I'm so happy it's invented and I have it. I'm kind of like bummed I wasn't the one to create it because it's really that genius. That's how I feel about it. Time to lotion up my body. By the way, my alarm already went off. I'm gonna be late. Luckily it's walking distance, so I'll be fine, but you know. I'm using the Naked Body Butter from Bliss. All right, I'm gonna go put my shoes on and then we'll get out of here. About to head out to the event. This is the little moto jacket I'm wearing over my polka dot dress. Hold on. I guess I'll take it off so you guys can see the dress. It's so pretty. I love the straps and then this like little neckline. And then I'll get a better look. I'll give you guys a better look a bit later on, but I'm gonna be late, so I gotta go. Oh, I decided to wear these big hoops. I like to play on like the dots, and they're just like fun. Remind me of summer. I'll show you something that Anthropologie does that is so cute, is that when they invite you to something, if you accept, they'll send you an email to see if you want to come. Then they send a letter in the mail. So this was the invitation. It's really cute. It says, please join Anthropologie's co-president, Hillary Super, in celebration of a new and exciting launch, introducing E.L.F. Anthropologie, inclusively sized, exclusively ours. And yeah, the event is celebrating their new inclusive sizes, which is so exciting because I've been shopping at Anthropologie for a decade. I can fit into a 14 or 16 in Anthropologie, but the options in those sizes were so limited. So now that they're expanding their sizes and are going to have so many more options, I'm just so excited. So, okay, let's go celebrate. On my way to the event, I decided to walk because it's super close. Like, I should be walking, duh. However, it is uphill. I am wearing heels, so I'm out of breath. Let's just leave it at that, okay? Let's just leave it at that, okay? We're at the launch party, and it's at the Sunset Tower, and it looks so, so beautiful. Okay, hey girl.
Hi.
So we've been following each other. I've been following you at least
A year?
for like, yeah, at least a year.
It is a year.
It's so funny when people are like, oh, do you know each other? And I'm like, no, I don't know Alex LaRosa. And then I was like, wait, no, do I? And
Like, I do, but I don't.
yeah, I do, but I don't. But it's
I
just
know
from
things
Instagram.
about you.
Yeah, but isn't she so beautiful? Look at that hair,
Too
girl.
much.
What do you use?
Too much. What?
What do you? No,
I'm so
seriously.
sorry,
though.
what?
No. Okay, I have curly hair too.
Okay.
But I mean, it's never ever gonna be on your level because this is just amazing.
I am like currently transitioning to all natural products, so I am trying out everything. So far, Diva Curl and oh gosh, what's the other one called? Ooh, Curls brand. They have like a blueberry bliss gel, something like that. It's brilliant.
Okay, I'm gonna link her Instagram handle, so you'll have to go follow her so you can get like all the 411 on the
give
curl
you all the
products
tips.
and the style. Cause look how cute she looks. Look who I found at this event.
Who, me?
Yes, you. How beautiful is she?
You guys are too nice. I think we can make it happen.
All right, I'm back home. The event was so much fun. Obviously, everything that Anthropologie does is beautiful. So it was curated very well. I literally, the second I came home, I started taking off my bra because like, isn't that what every woman does? Isn't that what you want to do the second you walk in? And then I was like, wait a minute, I started doing a vlog. I should probably finish it, right? So I figured I'm gonna put my pajamas on, wash my face, and we'll just do it together. I'll do a little nighttime skincare routine. All right, pajamas are on. Now it's time to wash my face. So I use this, the deep cleansing oil from DHC. I love it. I really like don't ever want to run out of it. So I use this, put it onto your dry hands, and then rub it just like that all over your face. Probably gonna need to use my other hand. Gentle around your eyes. The cleansing oil pretty much takes off all of your makeup in one shot. So when you're done rubbing it all in, then you wash your face with warm water. After that, I use my Dermalogica microfoliant cleanser, which is part of a two-step cleansing program. First the oil, then the microfoliant. And this microfoliant is a gentle exfoliator. So I just put some in my hands and rub it all over my face and rub it in and then wash it off. After that, I use a serum before I go to bed. So tonight I'm gonna use the Goop Enriching Face Oil. Pat that baby in. Washed my face in my pajamas, and now it's time for bed. Good night.